If you want to manifest the things you desire, like Neville Goddard, then you need to know about the law of assumption. First things first, the law of assumption is not the law of attraction. The law of assumption is about some next level things that many people are unaware of. People who know about the law of attraction are not even aware of how manifestation can become easier by understanding the law of assumption. This law was introduced by Neville Goddard. He learned about it from his friend Abdullah. Abdullah taught this beautiful law. Neville applied his teachings practically to things in his life and shared this information through his lectures. He said that if you believe that you already have the thing you desire, you will have it. It does not matter whether you have that thing physically or not. If you believe it internally, you will get it in the near future. It states that everything belongs to you. Instead of thinking of your desire, start thinking from the place of having your desire. Instead of talking about your desire, start feeling the way you would feel if you already had it. Neville stated in his lectures that everything that appears in this world is your own consciousness. Nothing in this world exists outside of your own consciousness. He said, all you can possibly need or desire is already yours. Call your desires into being by imagining and feeling your wish fulfilled. You don't have to do X, Y, or Z techniques in order to get something. Everything you need or want is already within your reach, and only you have the ability to bring it into your reality by imagining already having that desire in your possession and assuming a feeling of having it. Using the law of assumption is not rocket science, but it is very easy and simple. You don't have to use any crystals or follow some manifestation ritual. You just have to change the way you perceive reality. You just have to imagine a scene where you already have your desires in your possession. There are countless success stories that you can find on the internet of normal people who used the law of assumption and got what they desired. There is one such success story that I was reading, and it was about a person who manifested a specific person who rejected him before. The story starts when a guy likes a girl, but she keeps rejecting him for a long time. The girl he liked was into toxic, shy guys and didn't consider him when it came to relationships. He was friend-zoned, and he kept on trying and trying. But after a few months, they stopped talking and became friends again. The girl was clear that she didn't have feelings for him. She never messaged him. She gave him excuses that she was very busy and never paid attention to him. After experiencing all these heartaches, the boy felt like a victim, always complaining about the things happening to him. So, then he decided and made it clear that he wanted her to have feelings for him and like him as much as he liked her. He made it clear that he was not taking anything other than what he wanted. Now the juicy part comes in. He did something extraordinary. He started to imagine a glowing pink ring on his finger. For him, this ring was a symbol of the girl's feelings. He ignored the 3D and focused on the idea that this girl is his and is head over heels for him. The 3D just needed time to catch up. Not even a day later, he was playing an online game that this girl plays too. And he made the impulsive decision to go into the room in the game where that girl was playing. When she saw him there, her behavior changed towards this boy. She introduced him to her friends, even though they had been in no contact for the past few days. They started to talk immediately, and it was a very different experience. She was a totally new person. They became closer, and she confessed that she had feelings for him. He knew that she had feelings for him because he imagined that. Things are going well in his life, as the girl who ignored him and made excuses not to talk to him a week before is now sending him voice notes and messages and telling him how much she misses him. She is obsessed with him, and he is very happy. All this happened because he persisted in deciding what he wanted. He decided to drop the old story of being a victim. He identified himself as the creator of his reality. The thing I liked most in this story was that he clarified that he wants nothing less than the relationship. He would not entertain any other thoughts that were against his new story. The more you identify yourself as a victim, the more you get opportunities where things are not in your control. It is all about changing your mental programming and your mental stories about your desires. If that boy can assume the feeling of the wish being fulfilled and stay with it, then you can definitely do it too. It is all about deciding. You have to make a decision about what you want. Do you want anything less than what you desire? Or do you exactly want to experience your desire? It is your choice. You have to dwell in the new story, in the new state of having your desire. With your desire defined, quietly go within and shut the door behind you. Lose yourself in your desire. Feel yourself to be one with it. Remain in this fixation until you have absorbed the life and name by claiming and feeling yourself to be and to have that which you desired. When you emerge from the hour of prayer, you must be conscious of being and possessing that which you have heretofore desired. It is not about forcing yourself, but allowing yourself to experience what you want in your imagination. Don't make it hard, just close your eyes. See them holding your hands, feel their hands, look at their smiling faces, their eyes filled with love, their expressions changing when they look at you. See them as if they are obsessed with you. Touch their face, touch their hair, feel their skin, hear their confession, hear them say that they love you, reply to them that you too love them. After doing it, for the rest of the day, follow a strict mental diet where you think about the state of having your desire. I will cover this mental diet topic in another video. For now, just think in favorable terms. With this, I hope you learned something new. Subscribe to watch more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.